Welcome to this short educational video on the Egyptian Old Kingdom, an extremely important period in history that molded this civilization's monumental accomplishments and lasting impact. The Old Kingdom, spanning from approximately 2686 to 2181 BCE, marked a remarkable era of ancient Egyptian history. It was characterized by remarkable feats of architecture, innovative administrative systems, and profound religious beliefs. At the heart of the Old Kingdom's achievements were its pharaohs, or kings, revered as divine monarchs who wielded immense authority. Figures such as Djoser, Khufu, Khafre, Menkaure, Pepi II, and Teti left indelible marks on the era through monumental constructions, pyramid complexes, conquests, and more. Among these marvels stand the Great Pyramids of Giza, erected as eternal resting places for the pharaohs. Khufu's pyramid, the largest of the three, stands as a testament to ancient Egyptian engineering prowess, with its precise construction and monumental scale still inspiring awe today as the last remaining wonder of the ancient world. Guarding these pyramids is the imposing Great Sphinx, symbolizing royal authority and divine protection. It was constructed during Khafre's reign, and it embodies the synthesis of natural and divine forces in ancient Egyptian belief. Beyond monumental architecture, the Old Kingdom witnessed flourishing art, literature, and commerce. Temple walls were usually adorned with hieroglyphic inscriptions, chronicled the pharaoh's triumphs and honoring the gods who governed the cosmos. Commerce thrived along the Nile, facilitated by the Egyptians' mastery of navigation and irrigation. Goods from neighboring lands, like Nubia in the south, enriched Egyptian culture and bolstered its economy, contributing to the kingdom's prosperity. Religion played a central role in the Old Kingdom society, with pharaohs acting as intermediaries between the gods and the populace. Upholding Ma'at, or the cosmic order, was paramount, and religious ceremonies were conducted, especially in the capital city of Memphis, to ensure the kingdom's harmony and prosperity. During the era of the Old Kingdom, there was a notable decrease in both the quantity and variety of burial items. The primary focus shifted towards the construction of above-ground structures such as mastabas or tombs carved into rock. Within the elite mastabas of the Old Kingdom, there was a growing trend of utilizing wall reliefs in offering chapels and passaways. These wall depictions depicted the provision of sustenance and essential items for the deceased, rendering the need for physical objects within the tomb unnecessary. In the subterranean burial chambers, only a sparse selection of items was typically deposited. The exceptional craftsmanship of certain artifacts suggests that even individuals of elevated social standing were interred with minimal possessions. Notably, a distinction can be observed between the burial practices of high-ranking officials buried in the cemeteries of the capital city of Memphis and those laid to rest in provincial areas. However, the Old Kingdom eventually confronted challenges that precipitated its downfall. Environmental factors, economic strains, and internal conflicts eroded centralized authority, leading to the rise of local warlords and rulers and the onset of the First Intermediate Period during the end of this illustrious era. The situation worsened during the reigns of pharaohs such as Pepi II and Teti. The central government grappled with maintaining control over its extensive territories. Regional governors asserted autonomy, and internal discord ensued. The waning authority of the monarchy, coupled with environmental disasters like irregular Nile floodings, fostered social unrest and economic downturn. By the conclusion of the 6th dynasty, around 2181 BCE, the Old Kingdom had crumbled, ushering in a period of political fragmentation and societal upheaval known as the First Intermediate Period. Though the Old Kingdom is long gone and has faded into history, its achievements continue to inspire admiration and fascination. Join us in future episodes as we embark on a deeper exploration of this captivating era in ancient Egyptian history.